Hi, I'm Dr. Ryan with Paths of Movement Health and Wellness. We're going to do a myofascial release technique for the muscles of the lower back, and then we're going to move right up towards the mid-back to do some extension work over the foam roller to just help with our posture and improve upon some extensibility in our spine. So foam roller works great. However, you could probably use a medicine ball too. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to position the foam roller primarily on one side of my back. So I'm starting on my right side, and you can tell that I'm kind of leaned over more towards you, just to focus more on the muscles as they insert from the top of my pelvis up towards my rib cage. So I'm basically going to start kind of here at the end of my rib cage, and then I'm just going to roll down towards my pelvis, my sacrum, just to feel where the spots feel maybe a little bit more sore. And then I'm just going to breathe here. So I'm going to try to get this leg to relax, and I'm just going to focus on that small motion up and down. So once I've spent about 30 seconds or so just going up and down, I'm going to put a little bit more pressure on this. So I'm going to get this closer to the pelvis now. I'm raising my body up a little bit with this leg to support me. And then I'm going to add some rotation. So I'm going to rotate further towards the foam roller to the same side, and then back towards almost flat. And I'm just rolling now through the foam roller to change that angle of tension and pressure on the superficial muscles of the back. After a while, those superficial muscles will start to relax, and we'll start to get a little bit more deeper into the back muscles. Then what I would do is I just repeat this on the other side. And then I would move up to the mid-back. So I'm going to put this somewhere in the middle of my back that would be kind of directly correlated to where my sternum, the bottom of my chest is. And again, I'm just going to do a little bit of rolling on one side of the spine. I would then follow that up and do the same thing on the other side, just to notice if there's anything there that really stands out. You can also fold the arms over just to wrap the shoulder blades around our back and get them out of the way. And we can work up a little bit higher. Again, going in small sections just to find which areas feel like they really need it. This is where breathing can come in as a good help to relax the rib cage. So getting through a nice slow exhale can help keep a lot of the tissues around the rib cage relaxed. So after I've done the muscles, then all I'm going to do is keep my hips, my butt on the floor. I'm going to lock my hands around my neck, and I'm going to make sure I keep my rib cage down. And I'm just going to arch my back over the foam roller and stop when I feel like I can't go back, or if I notice that my rib cage is starting to flare up. And this is just a mobilization of the spine to allow it to extend more freely. Just kind of cradle the head. Just go through about 10 reps here. And then if I wanted to, I could repeat that at another section, just move the foam roller up and repeat those extensions over the foam roller, keeping the rib cage down. So that's a myofascial release technique for the lower back and the mid back.